Okay, I think this video will honestly change your life if you've just moved to the UK or even if you've been here for a while but never set up your finances properly. So grab a pen and paper and make a checklist as you watch this video and tick them off one by one, and you will thank yourself later for not wasting time or money. I'm sharing the wisdom of nearly a decade living here, so you can skip all the trial and error and get your financial life sorted from day one. Hello, I'm Negin. Welcome back to my channel. I'm 28 years old. I've been living in Manchester for a decade. I work full-time as a software engineer and data scientist. So when I first moved here, I made a lot of financial mistakes. Some were small, some were huge mistakes. And honestly, I wish someone had sat me down and given me a proper step-by-step guide like this. So that's what I'm doing for you today. No fluff, no random tips, just the exact orders of steps you should take to get financially stable in the UK as quickly as possible. Step 1. Open a UK bank account immediately. So the first thing you need is a proper UK bank account. Without one, you cannot get paid by your job, pay bills easily, or even sign up for certain services. So if you're new and don't have proof of address yet, look for banks like Monzo, Starling, or Revolut. They're app-based and fast to set up and perfect for your first few months here. So once you have proof of address, like a tenancy agreement or utility bill, you can also open a traditional account with banks like Barclays, Lloyds, HSBC, NatWest. Some of these banks even offer cashback on everyday spending, things like groceries, shopping, or paying bills. And over time, this can add up to a nice little extra cash each year. So here's the key. Make one of these traditional banks that have a branch nearby your main bank account. So have your salary paid into it, set up all your bills and your phone contract under your name, and pay your rent from it. Why? Because later, you might need to apply for travel visas for other countries or even provide proof of income for renting a house or getting a mortgage. So having everything go through one account makes your statements clean, consistent, and ready to use without scrambling for proof. Step 2. Sign up to all 3 UK credit reference agencies. So in the UK, your financial reputation is tracked by 3 main credit reference agencies: Experian, Equifax, which is linked to the Clear Score app, TransUnion, which is linked to the Credit Karma app. So you need to download these 3 apps and set free accounts. Some banks also give you free access to your score. For example, Monzo shows TransUnion, Lloyds shows TransUnion as well, I think. Barclays shows Experian score. Check your score monthly so you can see how your actions are improving it. Step 3. Check if you can register to vote in the UK. Being on the electoral roll can boost your credit score, but you can only register if you're eligible. Usually this includes UK citizens, Commonwealth citizens, and citizens of the EU who have settled status. So you need to go to gov.uk/register to vote and check if you qualify. If you do, register as soon as possible. This is really impacting your credit score. Step 4. Start building credit history immediately. So here's a personal example. I remember when I first moved here, I couldn't even get a phone on a monthly contract because the credit agencies barely had any information about me. It wasn't that I had bad credit, I had no credit history whatsoever. So the sooner you start, the better. And your options are either apply for a credit builder credit card like Barclay Card Forward or Tesco Bank Foundation, use it for small purchases and pay in full every month. Or sign up to something like Lockbox. Basically, you save a fixed amount each month and Lockbox reports it to credit agencies as if it's a loan you're paying back. And at the end, you get your money back. This really helped me to get started with my credit card journey. Step 5. Use savings pots for different goals. Don't just keep all your money in one account. It's too easy to spend. So open savings pots or spaces in your banking app for things like emergency fund, holiday fund, car, house deposit. And that way you know exactly how much you have for each goal and you won't dip into the wrong pot without realizing it. Step 6. Find the highest interest savings accounts. Your savings should work for you. So look for accounts with the highest interest rates that are FSCS protected, meaning your money up to £85,000 is protected by the UK government if the bank goes bust. So use comparison sites like Money Saving Expert or Money Supermarket to check the latest deals. Step 7. Learn about ISAs. So ISA basically is short for individual savings accounts, which let you earn interest or investment returns without paying tax on them. So the main types are cash ISA, which is like a normal savings account but tax-free interest. Stocks and shares ISA, invest in funds or shares, no tax on gains. Lifetime ISA, so if you're under 40, you can save up to £4,000 a year towards your first home or retirement, and the government adds 25%. Step 8. Check eligibility before applying for credit. Because every time you apply for credit, like a credit card or loan, a hard search goes on your report. And too many of them in a short amount of time can hurt your score. So use the eligibility checker tools on sites like Money Saving Expert before applying, so they tell you your chances without affecting your score. Step 9. Review your bills and subscriptions. So go through your bank statement and cancel anything you don't use. Switch energy providers, broadband and insurance regularly to avoid loyalty penalties. Comparison sites will help you do this in minutes. Step 10. Bookmark the best UK money websites. Don't waste time Googling for hours. These are the ones worth checking regularly. MoneySavingExpert.com, the #1 site for deals, savings and UK money tips. MoneySupermarket.com for comparing bank accounts, credit cards, insurance and bills. Lastly, gov.uk for anything official like taxes, voting and visa information. So there you have it. That's my full step-by-step financial setup guide for anyone who's just moved to the UK or anyone who wants to finally get their money organized. If you follow these steps in order, you'll save yourself years of stress and be in such a stronger position when it comes to buying a house, getting a car, or just living without money worries. And I'd love to know that. Do you want me to make a video on steps to take for different types of visas like student, graduate, skilled worker visa, or tips for living in the UK, steps to get your UK driving license, or like even general knowledge about UK culture and people? Let me know in the comment section. Your ideas will help me make videos that are most useful for you. Thank you so much as always for watching till the end. I hope this video helped you and I'll see you in the next one.